Hello friends, I'm here with my next video. Today we are going to discuss on a very important topic which I'm sure all of you all have heard about, and it's called as the NST or non-stress test. So during the third trimester, it is important that we monitor your baby's health. This is done by the non-stress test. It's a very common and safe way to access your baby's well-being. Let's dive into what is it, why it's done, and what to expect during the procedure. So, non-stress test or NST is a simple and non-invasive test that measures your baby's heart rate in response to the baby movements. This ensures that your baby is getting enough oxygen and is good to monitor the health of the child. Now, what we do is basically we monitor the heart rate of the baby. The sensors are put onto your belly and you detect the baby's heartbeat as well as any movements that you will feel at that particular time. So when is NST performed? One, it is done for all routine monitoring right in the end of pregnancy. Secondly, all high risk pregnancies, wherever there is any concerns about the baby's health and you have a high risk pregnancy, we need to monitor the baby's heartbeat by doing an NST. Specific concerns like if you have decreased fetal movements, then we want to monitor whether the baby is doing fine. So there we can do an NST first. Or if you have any medical conditions like diabetes, hypertension, or bleeding vaginally, that time also an NST is very important to know that the baby is doing fine inside. All post-dated pregnancies, if you have crossed your due date and we are waiting beyond your due date, then it is essential that we monitor the baby's health by doing serial NSTs, maybe even daily. So what should you expect and how the test is done? So generally in the emergency room or the triage, when you go with any of your complaints, you are either lying down or sitting slightly inclined so that we are able to attach the sensors to your belly. So there are two sensors attached, one where we detect the heartbeat and the other one is a toco probe, which is done in case we want to see if you are having any contractions or even during labor. Okay, then the heartbeat is monitored. You're given a small instrument in your hand which you need to press when you feel baby movement. So while the graph is being done, it will also record when and how many times you have felt baby movement at that particular time. How do we interpret the NST? If you have seen it like an ECG, if the heartbeat goes up and down with every beat to beat and you feel good amount of movements, at least 3 to 4 movements in a 20 minutes graph, we know it's a normal NST or a reactive NST. But if you still don't feel any movements and the graph does not show up and downs or it is more or less like a straight line, then we need to do further testing to see the baby's health. So what are the benefits of NST? It's a non-invasive and a very safe procedure. The test does not put any risk to the mother or the baby. It gives us a lot of reassurance that the baby is doing fine and you can start feeling the movement. So suddenly it just gives you all the assurance that yes, my baby is moving well. And in case there is any dips in the heart rate, that can be picked up on the NST. If you have absent fetal movements, we can pick that up on the NST. And because of this, we can do a very early detection of potential issues, and this allows us to take prompt medical intervention whenever necessary. So the non-stress test is a valuable tool in monitoring your baby's health during the third trimester. By understanding what is an NST, why it is performed, you can feel more at ease about the process and confident about your pregnancy journey. If you have any further questions or concerns, please feel free to discuss it with your doctor. Here's to a healthy and happy pregnancy monitoring, mamas.